Thank you for watching Understanding Trichloroethylene Exposure, a Veteran's Roadmap to Disability Compensation. We hope you like this video and thank you for subscribing. If you're a veteran seeking to apply for VA disability benefits due to health issues from trichloroethylene exposure during your military service, here is a guide. Confirm your eligibility. Obtain a medical diagnosis of a health condition linked to trichloroethylene exposure. Conditions recognized by the VA include bladder cancer, kidney cancer, liver cancer, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, multiple myeloma, lung cancer, breast cancer, Parkinson's disease, and other medical conditions. The VA provides presumptive service connection for certain conditions related to trichloroethylene exposure, especially for Camp Lejeune veterans who served for at least 30 cumulative days between August 1, 1953 and December 31, 1987. To strengthen your VA disability claim related to trichloroethylene exposure, it's essential to gather comprehensive evidence that establishes a clear connection between your military service, trichloroethylene exposure, and your diagnosed health condition. Here's a structured approach to compiling the necessary documentation. Start with medical evidence. Be sure to have a current diagnosis. Obtain a detailed medical report from a qualified healthcare provider confirming your diagnosis of a condition associated with trichloroethylene exposure. Compile records of your medical history, including hospitalizations, treatments, and any previous health issues that may be connected to trichloroethylene exposure. And get an expert medical opinion. Seek a nexus letter from a medical professional stating that your condition is, at least as likely as not, linked to trichloroethylene exposure during your military service. Provide your service records. Include your assignment documentation. Collect official military personnel records that detail your assignments, duty stations, and roles, especially those placing you in environments with potential trichloroethylene exposure. If applicable, provide documentation of your military occupational specialty that involve tasks with a higher likelihood of trichloroethylene exposure, such as weapons specialists, computer specialists, radar technicians, jet engine mechanics, avionics technicians, corrosive control technicians, communications equipment repair personnel, missile technicians, and aircraft structural mechanics. Be sure to include your exposure incidents. Document any specific events or incidents during your service where trichloroethylene exposure occurred, including dates, locations, and circumstances. Environmental evidence. Gather information about the military bases or facilities where you were stationed, focusing on documented trichloroethylene usage or contamination. Environmental reports. Include any environmental studies, reports, or findings that indicate trichloroethylene presence in the areas where you served. And don't forget your lay evidence or factual testimony. This would be personal statements. Prepare a detailed account of your experiences, focusing on how and when you believe the trichloroethylene exposure occurred during your service. And buddy statements. Obtain statements from fellow service members who can corroborate your account of exposure and any related incidents. Consider having legal and advocacy support. Veteran Service Organizations, VSOs. You may try reaching out to VSOs for assistance in compiling evidence and navigating the claims process. Or legal representation. Consult with legal professionals specializing in veterans' disability claims to ensure all necessary documentation is accurately prepared and submitted. By meticulously gathering and organizing this evidence, you can substantiate your claim and enhance the likelihood of a favorable decision regarding your VA disability benefits related to trichloroethylene exposure. If you've received a denial or are struggling with your appeal, the experienced legal team at Cameron Firm PC is here to help. Our legal staff will further assist in gathering all needed medical records, investigative reports, evidence, and statements from witnesses. Set up a free consultation. Call 800-861-7262. The phone lines are open Monday through Friday from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. We serve veterans nationwide, and there is not a fee until you win.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.